Hello friends, in this video we are going to talking about cloud computing. So cloud computing is defined as storing and accessing of data and computing services over the internet. It doesn't store any data on your personal computer. It is the on-demand availability of computer services like servers, data storage, networking and databases. We can say that the cloud computing is the revolution. It has changed the industry. Previously, if you want to start a company, so you would need a lot of money to start because you need servers, hardwares. Cloud computing has made the things very easy. Suppose you want to start something like Facebook today, so what would you do? You go and buy a small server that will cost per minute rate and you will pay per usage. So there is no need to buy a whole data center and set up IT team, maintenance server. Nowadays we see a lot of small companies like a startup have come to picture because of the cloud computing. So we can say that the cloud computing has made the things very easy. If we talking about cloud service providers, these are the third party company offering a cloud based platform, infrastructure, application or storage services. The top 3 cloud computing companies are Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. If we talk about types of cloud, there are four main types of cloud: private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. In the next video, we'll talk about type of clouds in details. So if you are new to this channel, I request you to please do subscribe to Techify Tech channel